Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transports. I've come to explore some local tourism today, and this is the ex-Lima trains factory in Isola, Vicentina. This was the factory between until 2004 when it was taken over by Hornby, and then all production was transferred to China. And we can see that the factory is abandoned, it's for sale. There are two very beautiful Ferrotranvia Vicentina electric rail cars that are abandoned here. This is the sad image of what was one of the most important model train factories in Europe and globally. So people had been talking about making a museum or something. Nothing happened, and this is how much Hornby is interested in the heritage of Lima. So that's all, and from Isola Vicentina, that's all. Cheerio, and see you next time. Ciao ciao.